What's up everybody and welcome to The Golden Life, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I turned my small balcony into a vegetable and herb garden. Now if you've been following me on Instagram, you've seen a little bit of clips here and there, some behind the scenes, you even seen some hummingbirds that I mentioned before. So if you are not following me on Instagram, make sure you guys do so. It will be down in the description. But anyway, this will be a two-part series. I will be focusing today on just kind of putting the garden together, and then in part two I will be showing you kind of how I make the balcony aesthetically pleasing and making it comfortable, because summer is right around the corner and I've been spending a couple of hours a day outside with my garden, and I just want to make sure I am enjoying it and make sure it's functional as well. So without further ado, let's jump right into today's video and let's get to it.
It's